Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about Copilot Finance application. If you're looking for a smart way to track expenses, manage subscriptions, and optimize spending, Copilot Finance might be the best personal finance app for you. Let's dive in. So the first thing is what Copilot Finance offers. Number 1, AI-powered insights, smart spending analysis, and budget recommendations. Number 2, automatic expense tracking. It syncs with banks, credit cards, and investments. Number 3, customizable budgets. You can set goals and adjust categories with ease. Number 5, investment tracking. You can monitor stocks, crypto, and retirement in one place. Number 6, subscription management. It detects and tracks recurring payments to avoid surprises. So the pros are it has beautiful user-friendly interface. It has smart AI-driven budgeting tools and also investment tracking included. The cons are it is only supported by iOS only, so you cannot use it on Android devices. Number 2, subscription is required after free trial. So you guys tell me in the comment section below that is Copilot Finance worth it? Subscribe for more finance app reviews and money saving tips.